What's up, guys? I do hope you are all having a great day. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another vlog. Seem to be doing a lot of these recently. Anyways, today we're not going to do bike stuff. We're not going to do car stuff my cars. We're going to be meeting up with a buddy of mine who had recently, a while back now, purchased a new car, an Infiniti Q50, and we're going to be doing some photography and cinematics for his car, for his channel as well. If you guys know him, he's been on my videos a couple of times. His tag is down below. It's a disaster hero, or I think now it's called Headline Apex. He is going to be posting new videos very soon. If you guys could consider going to his page too and giving him some love. And yeah, we're going to be going to meet him up at a location to go film his car, take some pictures for the gram and all that. And yeah, it's going to be a fun day. I'm going to be bringing you guys along for a bit of it. I don't know how much he wants to be on the video, so we'll see how it goes. I got my camera gear, and let's have a good time. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, so there's the man himself. I don't know if this place is safe. I don't know if we're allowed to be here, but we'll see how. All right, so here's what we are going to do. I got my camera stuff here. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a POV action with this. So we have the Canon SL2. Currently has on the 18 to 55 lens on it. I'm going to swap it out for my 50mm. Use that, and to give you guys a POV experience, I have this small adapter piece here and this phone mount from my tripod over there. I'm gonna put this on top of the camera and put the phone right on here, so you guys get a little bit of a live action POV of the pics, and then I'll give you guys. I'm just gonna do that and we'll see how it goes. All right, so hopefully this works. Seems weird, but we'll see how it goes. I put the phone on top of it. It's like a mount. Are there people coming? Oh shit. Yeah. So giving you guys a little bit of a POV with what's on the camera. I mean on the phone, and then what's on the SL2. What's up? Yeah. I was just about to say that.
Turn it around that way.
Yeah.
Same angle, we just turn it the other way.
Yeah. A little further back, like a smidgen there. A bit forward, a small bit. There. Alright, so instead of making you guys bored, I'm gonna stop the video here and get back to you guys when we're done at this location. Alright, so we pretty much got done with pictures. We tried going to two other locations. It didn't really work out, so now we're just gonna grab food and then call it a day. So I'll see you guys once I get back home. Alright.